Right, this is our Mitsubishi L200, also called a Mitsubishi Triton in some regions. We are doing a series of servicing videos. Ian will do a little point to the oil filter one. We've also done the gearbox one, but if Ian points out, there'll be a link from that one. We're going to do the air filter, which is probably the easiest bit of the stuff now. We haven't done one of these before, but it looks easy enough to do. So right, we're gonna. I don't know if we need to disconnect out. We could just push it off, but we're going to do it anyway. You can just push down on this tab here, which should release and then give it a bit of a wiggle, and that. So it's got a little sort of release tab by pushing that. We can unclip that from there. It looks easy enough. Get it out of the way. Just remember to clip it back on at the end. I'm going to undo that little clip there. Oops, sorry. Now ours actually had a cable tie here, but I'm assuming there should be a pipe clip of some description there. Hose clip. Okay, careful nothing falls in there while you got that. And then there should be a series of these, or what looks like a series of these slightly rusty clips around the outside. So there's one there. You got one there, Ian? I got one in this corner here. Oh, he's a bit tighter. Oh, he's a bit tight. I'm gonna just use the screwdriver yet. You got one over here somewhere, haven't you? So if you just watch that, I'm just going to put the screwdriver behind and just twist it. Save any effort. Right, now this should lift out totally now, which should be good. So there's the air filter. Now this one looks quite clean.
We are on the clean side of it.
Sorry, yeah, we are on the clean side. Sorry.
So your air intake is this air intake here feeds into the bottom of the air box, and it will be sucking it up through.
Let's just have a look.
He's a bit dirty.
He's a bit dirtier, yeah. Schoolboy error there. Yeah, we've got all sorts going on there. He's not too bad. We've seen much worse than that. Yeah. But we'll give him a new one in there. So we've gone for this one. Always check it looks the same-ish. It looks very much the same, doesn't it? Do we reckon there's any way it goes in or not?
It looks pretty square.
It looks pretty square. Let's have a look. It doesn't want to go that way. It's got these ribs here, look. So you can't get it that way because you've got the solid side. But if you go that way, the ribs sit there. So I reckon they've made it foolproof, which is handy for us because we can get things wrong. Right, there we go. So just check us. Nothing in there. That all looks okay. Pop him back on. Get that on at the same time. There you go. Get that there. And these clips should just fire on in now, shouldn't they? If we've got it right. It might be a bit harder because it's quite rubbery, that seal, isn't it? There we go.
Just give it a push down at the same time as you're pushing the clips on.
This back one's the tricky one, but he's all gone on okay. Tighten that up. That literally is a 5-minute job, that, isn't it? Remember to get that. Now you over tighten it. Right, that's that one done. And then my wire that I chucked down the back here somewhere. Where did he go?
He's dropped right down, I think. You can follow him off that corner there.
There we go. Yeah, let's retrieve him. I'm going to plug him on first onto the airflow meter. There you go. Clip him in there. Clip him in there. Oh, that looks like there's a clip there. That's over the ears. That looks like it should be in there. There you go. That's better. That wasn't on originally. Right. There you go. Mitsubishi L200 air filter done.